Hi guys, I'm back with another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how I clean my stove. Stay tuned. You will need a microfiber cloth, Windex, and some Barkeeper's Friend, and some foil. And you'll ball it up like this because you will need it for later. And also some gloves. Okay, now don't step on my toes because I was in the kitchen cleaning and I was like, hey, yeah, I'm gonna make a YouTube video because I want to show y'all how I clean my stove. So I've already put the Barkeeper's Friend on there and I let it set, sprayed a little bit of Windex, and I'm just scrubbing it and working it in for now. And yeah, stay tuned. This scrubber brush that I'm using, it's very, very good for the kitchen, dishes, etc., whatever you want to use it for in the kitchen. So now I'm going to go in with my ball of foil, and as you seen before, I balled it up. And you just take it and you just scratch. It's better than a scratcher so you won't scratch up your stove. So yeah, I'm just going in and scratching every area that has a stain or cooked on food, grease, etc. Now this job that I'm doing, it applies a lot of elbow grease, a lot of muscle to go back and forth and to be able to get your stove clean, so you have to put a little arm in it. Now that you have everything scratched off, it's ready to be wiped down. I'm going to go in with my microfiber cloth and go in and just remove all the dirt, the grime, and all the extra, and just clean everything really nice so I can finish the process. can see that I have been going back and forth to the sink, rinsing the towel out. You want to make sure that you do that, because if you don't, all of the excess dirt from you wiping it off will continue to make your spot you clean messy. So you want to make sure you rinse out your towel every time you wipe a section off and go back to continue what you're doing. Okay, I want to give the stove a little bit of shine, so I go in with the dry microfiber cloth, and I go in and just kind of buff shine it with the dry cloth just to give it a clean look, if you know what I mean. Like I said before, I'm in the middle of cleaning my kitchen, so I wanted to stop by and let y'all know how I clean my stove. Hit that thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video. And thank you for the ones who have subscribed already. And for the ones that didn't, hit that subscribe button. And just know there are more videos to come. Stay tuned.